Okay, y'all. I am officially on my way on the cruise ship, y'all. I'm so excited and I'm a little nervous, but we gonna get there. So we should be on our way to our room. Hi. Good. How are you? Which way? Oh, to the.
Why you going? To the shoes?
Trying to go to the boat.
Go back there and make a left.
Thank you. I'm going the wrong way.
How are you?
I think we all getting lost. Okay. I'm like confused. Got a little bit lost. All right, y'all. Going to the cruise. Hello.
Good to go.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi. Thank you. Okay, y'all. I'm going upstairs, and I'm gonna show y'all once I get upstairs. This actually wasn't too bad. I gotta say, it wasn't too bad at all. As far as getting in. Hi. Thank you. Wow. Nice. That is the boat. That's where I'm going. Hello. Alright, so I am going on the boat. Luckily my bag is not too big. I'm going straight to my room because I'm going to unpack and get situated, and then we'll walk around. But I'm so excited about this cruise. I'm so ready to see what Margaritaville at Sea has to offer. And everything's unknown, but I'm excited. I'm ready to have a good time, enjoy myself. So I think it's gonna be a great trip, and I'm really excited. Well, here we are.